Yo, what's good, everyone? Welcome back to another video with the Supra. We are so deep in this thing, it's a little sus. So far, we've gotten the whole front half of the engine tore apart, and I actually took a break. Judging based off what this title is, you're probably wondering what we found. So, as many of you know, I have a dual cam and crank trigger kit for the GE non-VVTi that I bought off Super V World. I plan on doing a installation video on, which I still am. It's just I'm taking a little step back because what I realized today is I got to the oil pump and it looks like we have either a GE VVTi pump or a GTE oil pump. I've been poking around the internet for a while and haven't really found anything to differentiate the two other than the crank sensor also came on VVTi cars. So it's hard telling, but I've had a feeling that this has been boosted before. Makes me believe it's a GTE pump, and I'm really hoping it is because that's just cool. It's better. But as far as the Supra goes, we are ready to put the new water pump on. So obviously I tore apart the whole front assembly of this engine. I've got a brand new water pump for it. I've got a tensioner for it and a timing belt kit. So this video is kind of just an update video of the fact that we found out that we don't have to do any modification of the pump to let the crank sensor sit in there because the GTE or the GE VVTi pumps have a spot for a crank sensor. So that saves us time. Super cool. This is part of the Supra V World kit. It's a nice bracket he has made to actually hold the crank position sensor. Now, we're not using that because, obviously, we have a slot already in the pump. Super cool that that's already there, so we don't have to drill anything. This does look like a newer pump. It was leaking out the seal, so we're doing that. This will be the last video of the Supra with its head off and all the accessories off. After this, everything will be put back together because I'm doing it tonight. It's a Saturday night. I have nothing to do, so I'm gonna get it all squared away, and hopefully we can start doing other things like the turbo kit stuff and the cam kit, the cam trigger kit, and the coil unplug stuff. So I just figured I'd update you guys on what we found today. Pretty crazy. So we're one step ahead. Let's go. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.